This is the best sunrise I've seen in a couple weeks.
Huh?
Best one I've seen in a couple weeks.
Sunrise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the time it's just cloudy. Almost missed it. Went back to my room and saw that my window was open enough to see it. Good girls. They haven't barked in 10 minutes. Talking to the dogs. Yeah. Got back to Scrabble. Hadn't played it in about a week. It was just barraging me with advertisements every 5 minutes. Another ad. So I stopped playing for a while. Went back to my jigsaws. And actually, I got my high score of 60 points for one turn. It was a double whammy. It was a big long word going down to the triple word score that I just added the S to, which clinched it, and then had a high scoring letter and the word going across. So triples on vertical and horizontal. And anyway, my theory about the other players being bots, I don't know. I did see several examples of them missing high scoring opportunities that would have been obvious to a computer. But maybe it's just trying to keep pace with me or something. I've noticed that often the scores are pretty even in the middle of the game. But, I don't know. Who knows? If they're bots or not, doesn't matter to me. As long as they get a good game. So I'll play my half dozen turns and then do something else in a while until they take their turns. Often I use the same words from one turn to the next. It's weird how that works.